Right. Ti eisiau nodi Nia?
Yeah.
You'd love one,
When you
wouldn't
say
you?
it like that, you said on Nia? Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Right.
Okay.
Heddiw, dim enwau lleoedd, not place names heddiw, ond dyn ni'n mynd i edrych ar y gair bach, which means under. Do you know what under is in Welsh?
O dan.
Ho!
Dan.
O dan.
Right, dan.
Underneath, dan, under.
Dan.
Right, so, dwi wedi dod o hyd i nifer o ddywediadau bach, little idioms, okay, that mean under different things. Felly, edrych ar rhain. Dan rhaid.
Under the feet.
Yeah, so in Saesneg, oh, you're in the way, you're
you're
underfoot.
getting under my feet.
You say underfoot,
Yeah,
yeah.
okay.
So, dan rhaid.
Dan draed.
Oh, God, ti dan rhaid o
Dan
hyd.
draed.
Dan drwyn.
Dan droin.
Yeah,
Under my nose. You're right under my
exactly,
nose.
right
oh,
under my
it's
nose.
right under my nose it was.
Yn union. It was
Yeah.
right under my nose. Da iawn.
Okay.
Dan y fawd.
Under the thumb.
Yeah.
Never been in my life. Not once.
Yeah. Nesa?
Dan y gasail.
Ooh, I like gesail, but
Gesail.
gesail.
Under the armpit.
Yeah. Like if you carry something, oh, dwi'n cario fo dan yng nghesail.
I'll put it under my arm.
Yeah,
Yeah,
under your arm.
carrying.
But you actually say in Welsh, under my arm in Saesneg, on, in Welsh, under my armpit.
Crude.
Cesail. It's a good word, isn't
Kesail.
it? Cesail.
Kesail.
Cesail.
Okay.
Oh, you're
Dandin.
like this. No, dandin.
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 Literally, it's quite a rude word for bottom, the second part. So it's underhand, sly.
Dyn.
Dyn. Dandin.
Dyn. Dandin.
Dandin. Nesa. Dan sylw. Sylw?
I've used silu before.
Tala sylw.
Silu.
Attention.
I should have paid more attention.
Yn union.
I should have.
Yn union.
Dan
So
sylw.
dan sylw, almost like in question. Yeah, so the thing that's being attended to, that's what's under attention.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Attention.
in question.
In question. Okay.
Being discussed. Dan glo.
Lock.
Da iawn.
Under
Locked.
lock and key.
Yeah, exactly.
Like secrets.
On yn Gymraeg, you don't say under lock and key, you just
Under
dan
lock.
glo. Yeah.
Dan glo.
Dan i sang. Oh, oedd lot o bobl yn y neuadd ni, yn y studio, oedd i dan i sang yna. Jam-packed.
Jam-packed.
Full to the brim.
Oh, okay.
Yeah? Llawer o bobl yna.
Dan
Ei
sang.
sang. Dan
full
ei
to the
sang.
brim.
Yeah.
All right, okay. Yeah, they're interesting idioms.
Yeah, ma' nhw i gyd efo dan.
Interesting Dan.
Yeah.